What's happening, folks? Well, I've been challenged by Dark Steel over at Dark Steel Knives, this guy, to do the Show Me Your Knife challenge. So, I'm going to show you my knives. If you're already subscribed, you know that I own a knife shop. So I'm not going to be going over there and pulling out my biggest and best and all of that stuff. What I'm going to do with this video is show y'all what I actually carry sometimes. And that's the plan. If you haven't done so yet, why don't you reach over there, hit the like button and the subscribe button so that we can get started. Here we go. Alright, so the first knife on the list is one that I carry around with me every single day. It's one that I sell in my shop. This one right here. I put this knife through absolute hell, and it just keeps on ticking. It's got a BEF serration, drop point, rubberized grip. Absolutely love it. And I like to throw it up in the air, catch it behind my back. I cut myself a lot. Knife number 2. Second knife on the list, I do carry a lot. It's usually pretty funny whenever I pull it out, and I like that. The Cold Steel Espada. Alright, this knife is absolutely insane. If I go to a dinner party, I wear this knife, and if I need to cut my food, this is the knife that I pull out and I do so with. It makes people laugh or just think that I'm crazy. But I like this knife. I carry it a lot. It is extremely fast. You can fit it in your pocket. This thing is insane. Huge knife. But it actually fits in the pocket really well. This is about all you can see whenever it's in there. The third knife that I carry, number 3, is one that I made myself. .3/8 inch, 1095 high carbon steel, Santos mahogany handle. I absolutely love this knife. It's a camp knife. I love it. It's this is probably my favorite knife that I have. This thing has more flaws than any other knife that I own. The USA is crooked. It's probably like the third knife that I ever made. Tried to stamp it 1095. That's crooked. The handle has a crack in it, right there and right there. I was throwing it at trees and it skipped off and hit some rocks. But I don't care. Fits perfect in my hand, is razor sharp, and just perfect to me in every way. I love it. I also broke the sheath. I do plan on fixing that very soon, making a leather one for it. Great knife. Some other things that I carry. Where's that? Right here. My Leatherman. Always carry a multi-tool. Everywhere I go, this thing is on me. Never leave home without it. And also, the E10R flashlight. That goes everywhere with me too. It's got a little Kydex sheath that I made for it. Snaps right in there. Perfect. And what else? I think that's about it. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to join into the challenge, go over to Dark Steel's page. Right there. And tell them that you want to be you want to do the Show Me Your Knife challenge. It's a lot of fun. Show people what you carry. And yeah. Alright guys, well that's gonna end it for me tonight. Again, if you haven't, hit the like, hit the subscribe, write a comment. You know what to do. Y'all have a good night.